I've been really unwell, so all I'm coming down here is to do a wee bit of footage for everybody on what we're packing today. So I'll give you a hand. Freestyle Libra, Amazon. That wasn't your done. Would you believe you can't sell this on eBay? You can only sell it on Amazon, and there's always a good chance that you get turned off because it's known as prescription. Brand new, in the box. Freestyle Libra, I think we sell it for about 60 quid with a free little button on it, a wee thing. What it does, it monitors your blood, your sugar stuff, but we sell it on Amazon, but we can only sell it on Amazon really quickly. Now, I think that was put on my own Shopify site, purely because we're kind of banned from selling prescription materials, and I've no idea why, because we could be very competitive with it, you know. So that's to be packed for that. Is that ResMed? So I have been promoted to, oh, I'm wearing my cap. I have been promoted to assistant packer. So I'll be watched and told off if I don't do this right. Make sure you check the stuff. Tofu, the tofu cookbook. Why does anyone use tofu? Is it to be wrapped? Yes it is, because it's a, what do you call it? Shut up you. I was about to dispatch this without any wrapping. It's not my fault, guys. Yeah, I'm sick. By the way, do you guys tape? Because it can be a nightmare for the customer. I've never taped. Wrap it in, because if you use tape it, don't do it. You save yourselves time as well. But think about it, why would you need to tape it? Think about it, because it goes into the bag. And the reason why I don't tape it is because the amount, I don't know if you've ever opened it. In fact, I'll tell you what you do me a favor, get a book and tape it up and then try and open it. Do you see how frustrating it is? Which things go into Every. By the way, we hate Every. And the reason why is because Every decide to charge us in Northern Ireland an off Ireland charge, or we're not mainland Britain, and therefore we're charged an off channel price, which is what? It's an extra 3 quid or 2 quid. Okay, so we go into the Isle of Man here now. This is an Isle of Man product. It's for Every, so customers probably paid a lot of money for that. I would say that would have cost a lot of money for that one. That's about £78 for that. Everyone seems to be doing tofu and slimming cookbooks today. New year, new life. Or just do what I do. Get sick and don't eat any Christmas dinner at all. The old days when I used to have to do 120, 150 parcels a night, and I was sitting in tears because I had to do all the customer care. I had to do all the listings, and I had to do the, what do you call it? So it came to a point where I was so frustrated because my sales were going way higher than what I could manage myself. And I was ending up with 120 to 150 sales a day. Just checking this book. This is a book that's used, and the reason why it's used is because it's got a little tiny cuff on the corner. It's not been read, but it's got that little tiny cuff in the corner, and we have to call it used so that Amazon don't fine us appropriately for putting a little scuff on the corner of it. People are fussy when it comes to books. It's funny actually, people are happy to wear used clothes but not happy to read used books unless it's marked, even if it's oh look, oh hello, 1984. You know, does anyone ever read this book? It's a wonderful story about... Sorry for stopping the program, guys. Listen, 90% of you guys are watching this right now aren't subscribed to my channel. Please click the like button, subscribe, and follow for more. Government control and how they've slowly eroded how we live and how we eat and how we sleep and how we react and how we speak to other people. It's funny. It feels like if you watch it today, if you watch the film with John Hurt, although we're not in poverty, it feels very similar where you can't say what you want to say without being arrested by the speech police. So if you want a good book and you want to realize that you're living in a rat race, 1984 is the book to read. Or you can watch it in film if you're too lazy to read it and you're like me. But George Orwell, 1984. They call it Orwellian times, and I tend to agree with it. This world has gone very much downhill. You look at taxes, if you look at business, you look at everything that's going on at the minute, it's getting harder to earn an honest buck. You're constantly being oppressed by the government. You're being told how to do your business, why to do your business. when to do your business and how much you're going to pay them for the pleasure of what they've just told you to do it. Personally speaking, it's a world gone mad, and I've seen the difference in the last 30 years of trade, where industry has, to me, has changed. Where's the Royal Mail one? That one there. So yeah. Oh, Dean.
I'm going to tell you good news. The car, eBay refunded. Keeping the money. The other one that went to Spain. The refund? Came back, eBay refunded.
That was a scammer. What happened was we sent a £120 vehicle, a car, to a person in England. They then got someone to transfer it from England to Spain. By the time it got to Spain, it was destroyed. The car was totally destroyed. The eBayer decided to make it our problem. But what was absolutely clear is that when it arrived in the location in England, it was in good nick. But when it went from England over to Spain, it was destroyed. The customer blamed us for it and tried to get us to pay for the refund. So we've been complaining to eBay about it, and according to Dean, as what he just said there, is that we've managed to get our money back, but we'll see. Just another scammer. It's not fair that they should be hiding that they live in Spain and they've got someone to do it. We wouldn't have sent it to Spain for that very reason. I actually am telling you, I'm not feeling the best today. I mean, I've been ill since the 23rd. I'm not contagious anymore, but by goodness, that was a bad flu. So I'm apologizing for not being as entertaining on television or whatever the hell you watch me on. But I am trying very hard to get fit quicker, because we've got lots of footage that we need to do. I've got lots of work that I need to do. It is cold outside. I probably am just going to go to bed. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe and click the alert button. Love yous all. Peace out. Oh, and Happy New Year as well. Oh, and I have to walk off.